Previously on Color Culture. Thanks for watching.
What is going on? We pulled over, cops everywhere, saw this dude walk across us while we were parked, right? And we didn't even know he was the guy. And then he crossed the street. The cops came in droves, across the street.
You okay over there?
I think it's been in my glove box too long.
Oh, dusty?
New Air Jordans from Nike are here.
Yo, what is good, everybody? Peace and love, peace and love. This is Colo. Have a very, very special unboxing today. We have the Jordan 4 bread is what they're calling them. Back in the day, I call them the black and red Jordan 4 that I never could have. And wow, they put some socks in there for me. Some decent looking socks. This is a change of pace. These look good. You know, shout out to the gifter for that. I appreciate those. And they actually have a nice little business card too as well. Look at that. Okay. It kind of reminds me of one of those old school Jordan cards. Man, they need to put those back in retros. And I love how they put these in little baggies too. And by the way, I don't condone the resale of replica goods, UA goods, whatever you want to call it. I just review the shoes and I keep it pushing. Oh my gosh, man, look at these. Hold on. Let me get them right. Let me get them right. And they were packaged well. I mean, like the box looks good. The box was like actually bubble wrap. You didn't see that part, but I always take, always take note who sends me the packages really nice and pristine. So you got 9.5, Jordan 4. This is the more recent pair that came out, I think about a year ago. And man, these just have so many memories. This is the first time I actually got a pair my size. Like back in the day, it was all about watching commercials like this, watching Spike Lee, watching the movie Do the Right Thing with bugging out when the guy ran over his shoe.
And I ain't fronting, so if you're ill to land to buy some, you.
So man, after seeing commercials like that as a kiddo, I was just like,
Yo!
Mom, Dad, please get me a pair of these.
They're high. Cabiche?
It's like the perfect shoe, and they was like, nope. We're like, how much did those cost?
Yo, man, how much you pay for them?
$100. American dollars.
108 with tax.
And my parents would never buy them because they figured I was just a kid, and I was just gonna mess them up anyway.
Yo, man, your Jordans are up.
And to be honest, I took care of my Payless shoes. And you know what? Shout out to my parents for buying me whatever shoes they could afford at the time. They could have got me the J's, but you know, it is what it is. It made me who I am today, and now I'm making videos for you guys. But like I was saying, advertisement's different now, and now we have Travis Scott as like the forerunner for the Jordan 4, I guess. I mean, but he makes heat though. But back to the shoe, I love it. And again, back in the day, if you had this sneaker, it was like a symbol of status. I mean, today sneakers are just kind of fly by the night. Back then, there was only a couple colorways. So if you had either one, I mean, you were the man. And if you didn't, you were kind of feeling like this.
No, then what is it?
It's because he's got the New Air Jordans, Mars.
You know, and you didn't want to end up like that. Trust me, you didn't. But anyway, back to the details of the shoe. As you can see, these things are just clean. It's really hard for me to find anything that's wrong with this. I'm going to bring out a retail pair a little later. You know how I do. But, I mean, the shoe just looks beautiful, guys. When I put it on, it fit perfectly. These smell just like the retail. I've had 2 pairs like these. And this is actually the better pair. They got Nike Air on the back. I mean, look at them. These do get a little dusty over time depending on how much you wear them, but it's such a beautiful sneaker. It just really is. And these weren't actually on my radar for a pickup or a gift or whatever. Like, they just shot me a pic, and I was like, you know what? I don't have those, and I should have those. I have the other ones that I should have these, and I seen Save Money with a pair. He keeps them up on his shelf, but I like these. So let's go ahead and get the retail sneaker out. This is a pair I paid like maybe $194 or something like that back in maybe 2016, I think it was. And I would say these don't have the best quality. Again, everything from Nike is inconsistent, and I mean, look at the leather. It's like that sheet of paper leather. The toe box looks good, but there was nothing special about the leather on this Jordan. And one thing I look at is the back. Look how the eye lines up. It's just, don't get me wrong, I have worn these, but look at the cut difference. And I believe the black pair is cut like that in the back. It's supposed to be a little higher. I mean, I went through this heavily with the unions. It drove me crazy. I still don't have a good pair of unions. I might give up on that, but it is what it is. I have these, and some people were saying those off-white 4s that wound up not coming out look better than these Bread 4s. In my opinion, they do not, and that's a little blasphemous to say that because there would be no Off-White 4 without this 4 right here that we see. And just seeing them sit on the table like that's just beautiful. So let's go ahead and pull out the black light and let's see if we find anything on these. Okay, let's get the retail out the way really quick. And I'm not sure if I ever lit up a retail 4 in this fashion. I don't see anything, not even any really standout glue pockets. These look okay. There's no markings. And normally there's no markings on retail sneakers. I have seen it, but nothing on these. Now these are black, so it's going to be a little bit more difficult, but there you go. There's some lineup marks from the pen or whatever that is. And again, this doesn't bother me. I'm just pointing it out. I always show the black light in my video, so here you have it. There are marks on the sneakers. I'm not sure if that means the sneakers don't line up correctly to what they marked them to, but the markings are there. It is what it is. Shout out to the gifters for this lovely gift, and shout out to Spike Lee.
Yo, peace and love, peace and love. I know the title was a little clickbaitish, but I had to do that. These are classic Jordans. And to be honest, I just wanted to get your guys' attention. As you can see, it's nighttime. It's dark. Yeah, you see that? Behind this like little shop, right? I got some buddies right here behind me. Check out what these guys are wearing. Look at their feet. It's more heat than my feet. Look at this.
Look at these dudes, man. These dudes are dripping, man. Look at this. This is the crazy part. Check this out. Oh, what? I just got those. Check my video out for those, guys. Check my video out for that pair. I don't even got these right here, though. These are clean. I don't even actually own a pair of Jordan 9s, yo. Look at the stitching on those. You're lucky I ain't got my black light. Okay. I see you, mannequin. That's looking pretty authentic. I like the hat. I ain't gonna lie, the hat is fire.
All right, anyways. Whew, this dude's down there smoking a cigarette. It's killing me. My man right there. See him right there on my thumb. Boink. It's Colo's kryptonite. It like destroys me. I'm gonna see if I can get some on feet. I got a little light to help brighten up the foot shots because believe it or not, it looks bright out here, but these lights right here are not enough. They're not enough lights. We're gonna make it work. Also, great news. Pulling up on 10K subscribers. I appreciate you guys. And you know, I couldn't have did it without you. I couldn't have done it without you. Yeah, couldn't have done it without you guys, so I'll probably have to give away a sneaker. That's a formality. And I should have actually wore a mask. I'm gonna get this on feet done because it's about that time, guys. Like people right there are looking at me. It's all good. I don't care when people are looking at me because you gotta realize I'm on the internet, so thousands of people are looking at me while I'm sleeping. Look at the shoes though. They're more interesting than my face. All right, let's do this on foot.
Man, I don't know how y'all do it. That's death in one little nice package, man. Yikes.
Crazy. It is so hard filming at nighttime. Crazy little story. So the owner of that store right there, he pops out and he's like, yo, I like what you're doing. And I tell him like, yo, I get these sneakers sent to me. They want me to review them. And he was like, they sent them to me too. That explains the J's over there. You know what I'm saying? That's what's up. But yeah, I probably can't go into a store because I don't have a mask I want to go to in a store. He said he's been there for 36 days. And I kind of want to see what he's got. I'm probably going to have to come back another day. He's gonna be like, man, that dude flaked out on me. No, I'm gonna come back with a mask. I think he's coming back out. Let's see. That's him back there. He's checking on me back there. I need to get some more B-roll though. I'm kind of light on the B-roll at the moment. I That's what's up. Yeah, I'll check you out.
Let me get out your picture.
No, you good, man. You good. I appreciate it.
I like that.
That's what's up. Make sure you follow me on IG. That's where you get all the secrets about the sneakers. The description's not going to do it all. It's about IG. So now I just got to figure out one more spot. All right, guys, real quick. There's been a lot going on in the shoe community as far as, you know, people wanting other people to do stuff for them and, hey, this is going on with this creator. You know what, to be honest, I really don't care about that stuff. Like, I'm here for the reviews. I'm here for my lovely gifters to keep sending me lovely gifts because I love you guys because you're so lovely and giving. Most importantly, I'm here for you guys. I don't care whose shoes are real or fake or authentic. Doing a live stream about this or that. Don't really care about the shoe drama. That's not for me. I'm not a drama guy. You guys know me. I'm a peace and love dude. Peace and love. That's my whole motto. I love peace and I peace up the love. I probably already did an outro, but here's outro number 2. Peace. Does this work? Seriously though, guys, make sure you hit me up on AG. We're gonna do this thing. Next year, 2021, I got some new content in store for you guys. I got I ain't got nothing else, guys, but this looks pretty cool though. All right, I'm peacing out. This is probably like my 3rd outro. I saw this tree here, I saw the lights, I just couldn't help it. Shout out to my bro Save Money, Minor Kicks. You guys are putting in that real work. Love y'all. Digital love, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know how we do. Bro shut down his store. Like, I think I'm late. I don't know what time it is, but I'm gonna check him out. I'm gonna go back into that guy's store and I'm gonna check him out another day. It's cold.